In front of me is TCL 20 Pro 5G, and let me show you how to add a fingerprint on this device. So first of all, you need to open the settings, then find and select security and biometrics, and now click on fingerprint. And at first you need to pick some backup to your fingerprint. It can be pattern, pin code or the password. So let me pick pattern. It can be L letter, tap on next, and then re-enter your pattern just to confirm. And that's it. Now you need to personalize the notification content, so you can show all notification content or just hide it, and I will hide it, tap on done then. And now you just need to place your finger on the sensor. So here it is. Just keep tapping. You need to be patient, as you can see it is taking a bit time, however we almost done it. So now just the edges, so just the same action. You need to put your fingerprint on the sensor. And that's it. Now tap on done, and from now on you will be able to unlock your device either with this backup pattern that we said at the beginning, so L letter, or you can use your fingerprint. So just tap it. And that's it. So that would be all. This how you can set fingerprint. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.